Thomas the Tank Engine. Harold the helicopter was flying about on his business. He likes to look down everything he sees. One day, he saw a easel pulling a good strings. "Hey, chap," said Harold. "I'm Harold. I'm Rusty. I'm the new diesel engine," said the diesel. "Well, you wouldn't stand a chance, mate. You would have been known if you were really useful. Unlike me, I have to go. Goodbye." Harold flew off. This made Rusty cross. "The other engines will be very happy to see me," he said. Indeed. Peter, Sam, and Sir Handel were happy to see him. Sir Handel was the most because he was shunting trucks grumbly. The trucks were troublesome. "No one understands us," said Gordon one day. "Now, if you were a big, strong engine, or if you were like me, you would feel ill and couldn't go anywhere, could you?" "What I got an idea," said Sir Handel. "He'll start pretending now." Soon the next morning, some workmen came over to inspect him. "I don't feel well," he said. Sir Handel felt terrible. Peter Sam decided to help him. He decided to help him by doing his work as well as his own work. He later came down for the mining cars. But there was a winch between them. Peter Sam never bumped cars unless they misbehaved. But the winch was groaning. This gave the troublesome trucks a chance for mischief. They thought Sir Peter Sam was Sir Handel. Their chance for trickery had come. "Faster! Faster! Faster! Faster!" No, wailed the empty cars. "He's Peter Sam!" But it was no use. "Hurrah! Hurrah!" they yelled. Peter Sam shut his eyes. Crash, sprang, walked. Please, he wailed. Everything was a mess. Rusty came over and decided to help clear up the mess. He pulled Peter Sam out of the mess and went about to help with the work. Later that day, he puts a handle onto the side. "I'm sorry I tricked you," said Sir Handel. "I didn't know the trucks would be troublesome." "Well, of course you didn't know," said Peter Sam. "I had an accident. What did you think?" "I didn't think." "You never think," said Sir Thomas, walking in. "You need to learn your own responsibilities. You'll have to stay in the shed until I can learn how to deal with you." Peter Sam sulked. It was all too terrible. That evening, Rusty was taking another good string. Harold hovered over. "Well, chap," said Harold, "how did it go?" "Fine," said Rusty. "At least I have more courage than you." Harold scoffed and hovered away. Rusty thought he did a good job at singing. Thomas the Tank Engine.